Hi guys, today we have a Pipsticks sticker collection box, and it's a present from my mom, so it's a surprise. So here it is.
Okay, Ash, I'll tell them about it real quick while you start to rip it open. So this is Pipsticks, and it's a sticker club for kids. We ordered this on May 1st, so I'm assuming that it's the May box. It cost $17.95, but we got it with a special coupon that was running a few weeks ago for $8.98, and this is the Kids Club Classic. So they have like adult stickers, then they have kids stickers, and then they have like 2 or 3 levels of each one. And we got the bigger one, which is the Kids Club Classic. And we'll also put a link down below so that you can get $5 off your first month. Okay, go ahead, Ash, open it up.
So let's open it up. So
Oh, that's a good way, so you can just pull it out this way. Don't spill everything. Okay.
let's put this down.
So what's on top?
On top is the stickers we're gonna go get.
The guide.
And also it has a cute little maze you can play. It's so cute.
Oh, it's like an activity book.
Yeah.
So
It says activities inside
your
it.
guide to Stickerland. There's a raffle prize, and you have each month they do a raffle, and this is our raffle number. And they have a coloring contest. They have things you can buy in the shop. Here's a sticker. You can add stickers onto this. Eden, it's okay. Ash is going to hand it to you in a second, and then they can put more stickers here. It's okay.
So we have this kind of bag. It's the same color as the sticker. See? It's kind of cool.
Holographic?
Yep. Now we're going to open the bag up.
It's kind of like in a Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
You get it, so you can help. Got it? So there's a bunch. You just want to start taking out and showing?
So we got some shooting stars. We got some cute little hearts.
Okay, hand them to Edie to hold.
Here you go, Eden.
Okay.
All right. Oh my!
That's the raffle ticket, huh?
Oh my! Look at these. They're so cute. I used to have red ones only, but now we have a bunch rainbow ones. So here we go.
Okay.
Shall we do?
Eden's gonna hold that.
I want to get this.
Not yet. Okay.
Oh my goodness! We got a rainbow bunch.
That's a big puffy sticker. Oh, don't take it off, Ash.
I really want to wear it on my shop today.
Okay.
All right.
It's perfect.
Oh,
Push on.
look. I just noticed, and you can put them on your face.
Those are for your face?
Yeah.
Let me see.
You can, if you want.
I don't know if these are for your face.
But,
Well, we'll see.
you can take
Okay.
them off, so.
Okay.
No, I want it.
And also we have some strawberries
Oh, really?
here.
Yeah.
Strawberries.
I want it.
Okay.
What's it?
Strawberry stickers.
Oh.
Put it in the
I
pile.
can't pick it up. I want Ashley to come.
Oh, we got these horses.
We got more, right?
Horses stickers here.
We got more, right?
Yeah.
So cute. We got these chickens. And one of this one looks like Hey Hey, and this one too.
What's Hey Hey?
One is a chicken.
It's a cartoon?
No,
It's a movie.
Oh, it's a movie? Okay.
It's a bit like behind me.
Oh, okay.
And we have some rocket
Rocket ships?
stickers. And this actually changeable. It looks like it's walking in the space.
Oh.
We got some vegetables, and I really want to use them because maybe I can put it when I'm delivering my vegetables to my mom.
Okay.
After grocery shopping. And I got some stamps. Stamp stickers.
Stamp stickers? Let me see.
See?
Oh, those are very cool.
Oh, and we have more.
And more. Wow, okay.
How many is that?
Which one do you want to hold? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have some fishies. So cute. Some bugs.
Wow, look at those bugs, Mom.
And we
Very
have farm
cool.
animals.
What is it?
Farm animals.
Farm animals.
And some pretty nature. We have a ladybug,
Flowers.
My favorite is this one because I drew it on my tile for Mother's Day. Today's Mother's Day. And a gift card.
No, it's a postcard you can send to someone.
Oh. Where's the raffle ticket?
Right there.
So we got our raffle ticket.
Okay.
And
You don't tell them our number, sweetie.
yeah,
It's okay.
it's so cute. I don't know what that says.
So how many sheets of stickers did you get, Ash?
Let's see how many sheets. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Yeah, even I can't count when you do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
So you got 15 sticker sheets,
No, 16.
one big puffy sticker, a postcard, and your little
It's
activity
super
book.
puffy. So why do they always give in each year a
Each month
puffy
a puffy stick or puffy sticker?
of this kind? Because the video I saw had this.
Oh, I don't know. That's just part of the club.
So
what's your favorite one? Ash?
and we're going to the raffle game.
Which one's your favorite, Ashley?
The puffy sticker.
The puffy sticker?
Mine.
Do you have a favorite, Edie?
Oh look, you can get the stars.
Yeah.
But what does the smiley face mean?
That's just part of the design. Edie, why don't you show your favorite?
So it looks like they cut it off. We only have one ticket to do one activity. Yeah.
Edie, quickly pick yours. That one? Okay, show it to the camera. Ash, let her show
So
her
this
favorite
is
one.
mine I like so much.
And then the one that Eden likes is...
It's the tattoos! Me too. Those are not tattoos, Eden. Wait, they are.
Tattoo stickers.
No, they're not tattoos. Honey.
Oh, wait, no.
All right,
So-
that was it.
Look,
Yeah.
Mom.
So that was the Pipsticks that
Yeah.
we assume is the
Mom,
May's
look, Mom.
box
Yeah, look.
that we got. And we'll put the link
Mommy.
down below for $5 off.
Mommy,
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Mommy,
Subscribe to our channel.
Mommy,
Bye.
you have to take it off.